Thinking about the Dyson vacuum for your home? Before you click buy, there are some things you really need to know. It's one of the most popular cordless vacuums out there, but does it live up to the hype? Some features are amazing, others not so much. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the Dyson V11 for US homes, what works, what to watch out for, and why it might just be worth every penny. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the one feature most people overlook, and it could make your purchase way smarter. If cleaning your home feels like a workout, the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum might be the upgrade that finally makes it easier and even a little satisfying. Designed for deep cleaning on all floors, this lightweight 6.6-pound vacuum packs serious power and flexibility. With 185 air watts of suction, 3 cleaning modes, and up to 60 minutes Superscript 2 of runtime, it's made to tackle everything from everyday crumbs to stubborn pet hair without a cord in sight. Right out of the box, Dyson gives you everything you need: the main vacuum, a wand, docking station, charger, mini soft dusting brush, crevice tool, hair screw tool, motor bar cleaner head, and a lithium-ion battery. It's thoughtfully designed, as you'd expect from Dyson. Everything snaps together easily and feels sturdy yet light in hand. Carrying it upstairs or around furniture doesn't feel like a chore, which is already a win. Now, let's talk about those 3 power modes, because this is where the V11 really shines. Auto mode is your go-to for everyday messes. It balances suction and battery life automatically, so you get strong cleaning without draining the battery too fast. Eco mode stretches runtime to the max, perfect for cleaning multiple rooms or doing a quick refresh before guests arrive. And when you need to unleash full power, like when your pet's been shedding on the carpet, boost mode kicks in with all 185 air watts of suction for an intense 5-minute cleaning. It's short but mighty, the kind of cleaning strength that makes you say, "Whoa, that actually worked." Pet owners, this one's for you. The motor bar cleaner head digs deep into carpets and hard floors while detangling long hair automatically. No more stopping to cut hair out of the brush roll. Then there's the hair screw tool, which works wonders on pet beds, stairs, and car seats. This conical brush bar pulls up hair and fur fast without tangling. If you've ever spent 10 minutes wrestling fur out of your old vacuum, this feature alone feels revolutionary. Another standout is the LCD screen built right into the handle. It shows your power mode, remaining runtime down to the second, and even gives you maintenance alerts. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you realize how much it helps. You can see exactly how much cleaning time you've got left and switch modes on the fly, keeping your rhythm smooth instead of stop and go. One thing most people overlook is the importance of a HEPA filter. Dyson delivers serious cleaning with its advanced whole machine HEPA filtration that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 micron Superscript 3, meaning it captures fine dust, pollen, and allergens before expelling cleaner air back into your home. That's a big plus for allergy sufferers or anyone who likes that fresh air after vacuuming feeling. And let's talk about build quality. They made the V11 out of durable, lightweight materials that can handle years of use. Feels premium and well balanced in hand, never clunky. The design also converts easily into a handheld vacuum, making it great for cleaning cars, furniture, or tight spaces. Of course, no vacuum is perfect, and real users are quick to point out both the highs and the lows. Customers call the Dyson V11 the best vacuum they've ever owned, highlighting its strong suction, lightweight design, and how effortlessly it picks up hair and dust. One person even said it's easier to use than wired floor models, which really says something about the convenience factor. The ease of use on stairs gets mentioned a lot. No cords to trip over, no bulky canisters to drag. Reviews of the battery life are mixed. Some users praise its longevity, noting that a single charge can easily cover their entire home, while others feel it doesn't last quite long enough. Realistically, it depends on which mode you're using. Eco will stretch your cleaning time, while Boost burns through the battery faster. Dyson backs the V11 Origin with a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime Dyson support. You can even register it through the My Dyson app for personalized maintenance tips and access to customer support. Who should buy the Dyson V11 Origin? Honestly, anyone who wants to make cleaning faster, simpler, and a little more satisfying. It's perfect for pet owners, families, and anyone tired of cords holding them back. It's also a great fit for multi-level homes, light enough to carry upstairs, strong enough to handle carpets and hard floors alike. If you've got a mix of surfaces, kids, or furry friends running around, this vacuum will feel like a serious step up. Sure, it's not the cheapest model on the market, and the battery might leave power users wanting more. But when you add up the performance, the smart design, and the thoughtful details, the LCD screen, HEPA filtration, tangle-free cleaning, it's easy to see why more than 20,000 people bought it last month. Why wait? Get yours now on Amazon through the links in the description. Looking for more options? Check out our full roundup in 5 best cordless vacuums for US homes, featuring top picks for every budget